the virtual students, okay?
Oh,
So, yeah. I could send it to the police, yeah. All right, the verb gustar, it literally means to please, but we translate it as like, okay? To please or to like. It's an AR verb, but it has some different properties than what we can conjugate it, gusto, gustas, gusta, gustamos, gustáis, gustan, but it means something different, all right? So, gustar. In order to say I like, we say me gusta or me gustan. Me gusta or me gustan. You like, te gusta or te gustan. Anybody know why there's two ways to say I like, two ways to say you like? Any guesses? Singular and plural, right. So what does that mean, singular and plural? If I like one thing, I say me gusta. If I like more than one thing, I say me gustan. Think of our endings of our verbs. A refers to something that's singular, right? An is something that's plural. So a little bit different though. If we want to say I like, we say a mí me gusta. You like, we say a ti te gusta. Me has an accent, ti does not have an accent. Why do I have them in parentheses? Well, kind of like over here, do we always have to use yo with the yo form verb? Do we always have to use to? No, because this ending tells us that it's I and you. This word, me and te, tells us that it's I and you. So we don't have to put them in there. Okay? Again, third person is le gusta or le gustan. What goes before it? A el for he likes. So he likes, we say a el le gusta. She likes, a ella le gusta. What's the last one? Usted. A usted le gusta, which is you formal like. Okay? Lights are shining on it. So he likes a ella le gusta, a ella le gusta, a usted le gusta. Why don't I have these in parentheses? Why didn't I have like el and ella? Why do we use them over here?
Because I think it's because we actually like need to say those in the sentence.
Right, we need to say it's for clarification. Okay? If I just said to you le gusta, he likes pizza, le gusta pizza. Would it be he likes, she likes, the dog, the student, the teacher? We don't know. So we need these for clarification. Le can mean a lot of different things. Me and te refers to I and you. That's the difference. First person plural. Nos gusta or nos gustan are pronouns, just like in our other conjugations or the verbs we've talked about. Nosotros or a nosotras. Now I'll explain what the a means here in a little bit. Second person plural. Os gusta or gustan. A vosotros or a vosotras. Are we going to use that often? No. But that's how you'd say in Spain, you plural like. A vosotros os gusta or a vosotras os gustan. Third person plural. A ellos, a ellas, a ustedes. And our gustar phrase is les gusta or gustan. So notice these subject pronouns are the same. El, ella, usted, nosotros, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas, and ustedes. What else can it go in these categories? A name. If I say Mason likes, a Mason le gusta. If a girl likes, a la chica le gusta. If Mason and Hope like, a Mason y a Hope les gusta. The students like, a los estudiantes les gusta. So it's the same principles that we had before, except we have an a. So what does that mean? If I write I like pizza.
Should we write that down?
Yep. These are some examples. I like pizza. To say I like pizza, me gusta la pizza. What is that sentence literally saying though? If gustar means to please. I please pizza? No. Pizza is pleasing to me. So how does the to me part come in there? What can we add? Me. What if I leave it out there? Does it still mean pizza is pleasing to me? Yeah. Or just if I say a mí me gusta, I like pizza. Or pizza is pleasing to me. Our real subject in the sentence is la pizza. Okay? If it's a singular noun, kind of think what we talked about. If it's a singular noun, we use a as an ending, don't we, for our verb? What do we use for an ending for our verb here? Ah. So pizza pleases me. What if I like pizzas? What if I just put an S here and an S here? Now what's pleasing me? The pizzas, what would I change this to? Does that make sense? So if what I like is singular, I have a gusta. If what I like is plural, I have gustan. Make sense?
Wait, one minute.
Alright, I'm not erasing.
Okay.
We like books.
You.
Or literally, books are pleasing to who?
Us.
Us. So we like books would be nos gusta libros. Right or wrong?
Right.
Wrong. Why is it wrong? Because this is plural, isn't it? So what does this have to be? Gustan libros. What could we put in here? A nosotros, or if it's girls, a nosotras, right? But do we need it? Nope. Because this can only express we like. So we could just say nos gustan libros. Does this clarify a little bit? We as in guys or girls? It can. All right. Posibilidades. Okay, camera work here. We need a name. Who?
Kenzie. Dora.
Dora. Dora likes to talk.
Yep, that's for sure.
Shocker.
Right? Let's work backwards. How do we say to talk? Hablar. What's the likes part? We're going to use me, te, le, nos, os, or les with Dora.
It'd be wait.
Right, it would be the concept, right?
Yeah. Alright,
So what's our gustar?
L.
Le gusta. Who's liking it?
Dora.
Dora. But literally, what does the sentence mean?
Dora.
Talking is pleasing
Dora.
to Dora. So what do we have to put at the beginning? A Dora le gusta hablar.
Dora likes to talk.
See, if we just said le gusta hablar, who are we talking about?
We don't know.
We don't know yet, right? But if we put a Dora, now we're clarifying that it's Dora. What if we say she doesn't? What does this mean? If I add a no in there.
She doesn't
It
like
doesn't
to talk.
like to talk.
Dora doesn't like to talk. Or talking is not pleasing to Dora.
Is it opposite Wednesday?
That's tap?
What?
Cap. That's cap.
Ew.
That's what it is.
Cat.
That's cap. Yeah, getting better. Getting more hip. Alright, they.
Bad.
Oh, let's not use they. Let's use two names again. Two names.
Alyssa,
Mason.
Ramona.
Ramona
Y Felicia.
and Felicia like to study.
You're funny.
So literally, studying is pleasing to Ramona and Felicia, right? So to study is estudiar. I'm going to work backwards. You don't have to, you can write it in after I'm all done. So now Felicia Ramona like to study. Is it me, te, le, nos, os, or les?
Late.
Les. What's the form of gustar? Gusta, because it's just one thing that they like. So who likes to study?
Ramona and Felicia.
Felicia. So we need an A in front of there. And then we need the other person. A Ramona y a Felicia les gusta estudiar. So literally, what does it mean? Studying is pleasing to Ramona and to Felicia. If I just said les gusta estudiar, who likes to study?
We don't know.
We don't know. So we clarified. Could I replace those with a ellas? Les gusta estudiar? Yeah. Is it as clear?
No.
It's not. We know it's girls because it's they like to study. We don't know which girls. See? Okay. One more. That confuses estudiantes.
Students.
Let's say Juan and I like to draw. What am I literally saying in English? Drawing is pleasing to Juan and to me. Okay? So we say a Juan y. It's the next part. This is where students get a little confused. Remember we said we never use yo, never use tu with gustar. What do we use instead of yo and tu? Me and ti. So what are we going to use here? Yeah, me. We like, the expression is that is nos gusta. And a word to draw is dibujar. So drawing is pleasing to Juan and to me. See? Does that make sense?
Yes.
So we use gusta when we like one thing, gustan when we like two or more. How do we know whether to use me, te, le, nos, os, or les? Based on who's doing the liking, right? Or what's being pleased. I, you, he, she, we, they, etc. Okay? Bien.